this is me game. Setting resolution, vertical scenes on graphic. Why? What you cannot do medium? Motion blur, enable. FXA, ATX, everything. Nice. Yes, my friend, that's it. Alright, the GPU is actually holding pretty nice. Let me reset it. Bastard, move aside, we don't care, Ow. Don't do that. Have respect, man, kid. Have respect for me. I tried to do a pit maneuver for it. Ow. It's killing me. Oh no, break. And of course I have to restart soon. I think I will have to restart to go for inside. Maybe I can finish, but it will take a lot of luck, I think. Second place, third place. Yes! Second place apparently. No, third place. Nice. Holy mother of sweet baby Jesus. Go away. That's my place. Yes. First position. That was nasty, boy. How many laps? 3 from 6. Oh. He tried to come on my lane. He tried to come on my side to actually wreck me. But holy smoke. Holy smoke, that was like really intense. Mr. Longfinger. This is the one and only WRECKFEST. Yes. No. Get lost. Get lost. Don't make me lose the game. You wanted to rush outside. Oh, that was so close. I literally feel like in a Fast and Furious movie, seriously. No, I was... Place? No. I was so close on being the first one. Look at them, 27%. No, let me win. Oh yes. 6th game. Alright, go, 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 go. I can reach them. 2 more laps, maybe with a little luck I can reach them. No, critical damage. No, 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 no. I was on first place. Takedown. I managed to take one out. 4th place. I'm burning. I'm on low HP. That 13 under the car is the percentage of the. If I do one more damage, I'm done. That's it, boy. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. From outside, from outside, from outside. Finish in the first position. Yeah, I'm on first position. Have to go at the end. 9%. Don't touch me, don't look at me, don't